Welcome back to Quiz Elite. Can you guess the logo by its sound? There are 25 challenges, and you've got just 10 seconds to crack them. If you are new here, subscribe to our channel for more games like this. So, let's go. Can you guess the first logo by sound? Spot the logo from the sound. Snapchat. Another sound coming up. Any ideas? Netflix. Listen and guess. What's your final answer? Cocomelon. Which logo is it? This one's tricky. You've got it, Discord. Question number 5. Among Us. Find the odd one out. Great! You're really good at this. Another sound coming up. Try to name the logo by the sound. Spot on, Disney. What logo is hiding in this sound?
Pizza, pizza. Pizza, pizza. Pizza, pizza.
Little Caesars, you got it.
Pizza, pizza. Pizza, pizza. Pizza, pizza. Pizza.
How about this one? It's very easy. Mario. Find the odd one out. You're pro. Match the sound to the logo. TikTok. Get set for the next one. Who's the mystery logo? WhatsApp. Find the odd one out. You're genius. Listen carefully. Name the logo. You nailed it! Subway. Which logo is it? Cartoon Network. Let's go. 3, 2, 1. Let's test your knowledge. McDonald's. Next logo.
Bye. Huh?
Correct. It's Roblox.
Bye. Huh?
Can you find odd Duolingo? Well done! Find the odd one out. Logo number 15. Who can guess it first? Correct, it's Oreo. Pick your next challenge, and thank you for watching.